Bonjour ki bienvenue, hello and welcome. This is chapter number 2. In this video lesson, we will learn some new French words and phrases. But before that, let's take a quick recap of the words and phrases we did in the previous lesson. So let's get started. In the last lesson, we learned bon, which means good. C'est, which means it is. Fantastic, meaning fantastic. Absolument, meaning absolutely. Ici, which means here. Très, which means very. Ce n'est pas, meaning it's not. Here is the next word for this video lesson. Délicieux, délicieux, meaning delicious. Now you might be wondering about a little line on the letter E. Previously we saw this little line on the word K, but it was the other way around. So what is the actual difference between these two words? Well, the letter E in K is called a grave accent, whereas the letter E in the word délicieux is called an acute accent. Although there is hardly any difference between these two, but it is always worth looking at the differences. A grave accent, like in the word K, should be pronounced as the letter E in English. For instance, bet. Here we pronounced it as letter E. However, an acute accent like in the word délicieux should be pronounced like a vowel A. So it should be pronounced as the word pay, pay. So there is a very minute difference between these two. A and A. A, A. So how would you say it is delicious? Say délicieux. Say délicieux. Here is another word for this video lesson. Extraordinaire. Extraordinaire, which means extraordinary. You guessed it right. How would you say it is extraordinary? Say extraordinaire. Say extraordinaire. How would you say it is absolutely extraordinary? Say absolument extraordinaire. Say absolument extraordinaire. And what about it is absolutely extraordinary here? Say absolument extraordinaire ici. Say absolument extraordinaire ici. That's all about this video lesson. If you are not sure about any of the words and phrases we learned in the previous sessions, please go and check the videos to memorize it properly. That's it. See you soon. A bientôt. Thanks for watching that video, guys. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button down below for more amazing videos and updates. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning.